Kia ora, ko Philip Takuingoa. I'm the proud Health and Safety Advisor for Power Services Northern, Omexom. I have a passion in leading people in the health and safety space and wellbeing to ensure that they go home safe. The safety and wellbeing of our people isn't possible unless you enable them. Enabling has enabled me to come up with my own initiatives. The Whyzmate hazard and risk awareness is purposed after the why. Why do we do things? The safety initiative was from the work site. Hazard identification breakdowns. I wanted to first off stop such events from reoccurring. I wanted to incorporate Omexom's critical risks, such as highlighting overhead electricity, asbestos removal in the vicinity, deep excavations and so on. The Whyzmate hazard and risk awareness signage was born. The Whyzmate is a bright yellow sunflower colour, miniature person sign, and has a movable arm to highlight the potential hazards in the area. A small whiteboard is included on the chest to note hazards or give instructions.